Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll explain what the E9 error code means on a Hisense dehumidifier and how you can fix it step by step. When the E9 error shows up, your dehumidifier stops working because it can't read humidity levels correctly. This happens when the control board loses communication with the humidity sensor, which is a key component that tells the unit when to run and when to stop. To prevent overcondensation or internal damage, the system shuts itself down as a safety measure. Start with the easiest fix first. Unplug the dehumidifier and leave it disconnected for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then plug it back in. This resets the internal electronics and clears temporary glitches. Next, remove and clean the air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow, which can confuse the humidity sensor and trigger the E9 error. If the error remains, the next step is inspecting the humidity sensor itself. Carefully open the unit and check the sensor for dust buildup, then gently clean it. Also, inspect the wiring connected to the sensor. Loose or corroded connections are a common cause of this error. Secure any loose wires you find. If cleaning and reconnecting doesn't fix the problem, the humidity sensor may be faulty and need replacement. Replacement sensors are usually inexpensive and easy to install. As a final step, check for firmware updates on the Hisense website, as software updates can sometimes resolve sensor communication issues.